Final question. Uh-oh, the recorder in your group got lazy and only recorded some of the steps and explanations while simplifying an expression map. We need to fill in what is missing. Build the original equation as a group and use it to guide your conversation. Well, I'm not going to build it with algebra tiles here. I'm just going to go through the steps. So first of all, I can see my starting expression. As I go from that to the next one, I can see what happened. Essentially, these people would have flipped things out of these negative regions here and here up into the positive regions, because you see the 2x squared became a negative 2x squared and the negative 4 became a positive 4. So we would say flip from negative to corresponding positive region. Next, remove zeros and combine like terms. Okay, so if I look at the, ooh, okay, so if I look at this first one, the left expression, in terms of x squared, I have 2x squared, and I've got another x squared, so that's a total of 3x squared. In terms of x's, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, so I've got plus 4x, and then I've got a negative 1, and then a plus 3, which is a plus 2. And on the other side, I've got 5x squared minus 2x squared, which is 3x squared. And then I have a plus 2x, and 2 plus 4 is a plus 6. So I just remove the zeros and combine like terms. Now, the next thing is that the step is here, but the justification's gone. But I can see what's happened here is we've just removed 3x squared tiles from each side, right? Both the left and the right had 3x squared tiles, so we removed those. We removed 3 of those x squared tiles from both sides. Okay, next it says take away 2 from each side, not 2 x's, take away 2. Well, if I take away 2 here, I'm left with just 4x. And if I take away 2 here, that would give me a 4 plus 2x, right? Because 6 minus 2 is 4. There's nothing on this next step at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 2 x's from both sides, because this side has 4 x's. If I take away 2 of them, I'm going to be left with 2x. The other side has a 4x plus 2x, so I take away the 2x and I'm left with just a 4. So I'm going to take 2 x's from each side. And then finally, you can see that I've got groups here, 2x and a 4 on one side. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And that's the end of the study team test. Goodbye.